Hello and welcome to Channel 18 for the third of our now legendary draws. I'm here with Gaza and we're going to be giving away some more prizes today. We love that. So welcome along if you're new to Channel 18, if you've recently joined, and if you're returning for another draw,
welcome back.
Good luck to you, yes. We now have thousands in the draw, so the odds of winning go down a little bit, but those of you that have been regularly with us, increase your chances because you get a go every month you've been enrolled. So good luck to you. Now, we're obviously only a month away from the launch of the 18th edition, and many of you have already taken up the early bird offer that we've been giving you the chance to do if you're a member of Channel 18. Special price, $292 plus VAT for the full course and exam, and happily we have lots of you taken that up.
I have. And the PayPal offer?
Yes, there's a PayPal offer, so this is not us, this is PayPal, but if you are eligible and you go onto the PayPal portal, you can get interest-free credit when you buy the course, which is great. Good way to spread the cost of the course, so well done to that. Now, it does seem remarkable that the thing is only a month away now.
But we've been working on this for 2 years, Dave.
Yeah, I think the first conversations we had were something like 2 years ago.
Where have you been?
Oh, well, last week, I was at a farm. And I'm not partial to cows, right? And he made me stand literally metres away from a cow and do a piece.
But it was great footage. Anywhere else?
Great footage. It was a very attractive cow as well. Right. Lovely brown eyes. Look out for the eyes. Swimming pools, greenhouses, all special locations, you know?
Yeah. It's good.
What have you been doing?
Well, yeah, I've been out and about as well. Been to an airport and went to a fantastic factory, industrial complex up in Tutbury, make coffee. So, yeah, it's been great. And don't forget, we went to Germany to do the
Germany trip. That seems a long time ago now, but we went to Dean, to their fantastic laboratories when we were doing pieces.
It's got some fantastic footage in there. If you haven't seen any of the samples, it shows you all about the SPDs and what can go wrong, so it's really intuitive.
Yeah, there is a lot of sample material available now. If you're on Channel 18 and you haven't looked at it, do take a chance to look at samples of the course. I haven't seen samples of many other courses, but we've got stuff out there, so have a look at it and see what you're getting for your money. Yeah, that's brilliant.
And are you up in Elix?
I am going to Elex at Harrogate, which will be fantastic. 2 days up there. I'm going to be standing on either the Marshall-Tufflex stand or the Hager stand, and also just wandering around. So if you see me up there, do come and say hello. It'd be great to shake a hand and have a chat with you and ask about the course if you have any questions about it. Okay, fantastic. Good. Okay, let's press on with what you really want to know. Stop all this waffling. So here we go with our draw. As usual, we are doing the random number thing with Random UX, which is just an app that I've got here on my phone. All the numbers of all the entries are programmed in here, so we can do that random call.
Dave, I've got a little bit of an update because the numbers have gone into their thousands now because obviously those that have registered earlier are getting double and triple numbers, so we're having to go digital. So there were too many papers last time, so here we go. So it's already same as usual before. We're going to go first name and first letter of the surnames. But you've all been emailed your number, so hold fire and we'll call them out now. So
there we go. So the first prize, as before, is access to our full online 18th edition course with an exam at a centre of your choice and a copy of the regs. And that will all be coming to you, of course, when it's published and when it's available. So that's the first prize. That's what we're drawing for now. Here we go. First winner is 367.
This is much quicker, Dave. 367. That is Michael F. Congratulations, Michael. Well done. That's a good prize, and I hope you look forward to using it.
That's a great prize, and I hope you enjoy the course,
Yeah,
Michael.
well done.
Second prize is the Martindale tester. That's over there, Gav. This is a new prize. It's the ET5 model on there. Useful bit of kit, yeah?
It is. I've got to say, I've got many tools, many appliances, but I've got to say, I always wanted one of these. Now, obviously, it does the typical voltage and the current, and it's even got the frequency on them and measures resistance. But it's this little feature here that I particularly liked. Would you hold that, please, Dave? What it does is it can measure current, so you can pop that over a lead, and it will tell you the current, which is really handy if you've got problems with overloading in the light. So nice little feature, very intuitive, very helpful.
Lovely prize.
Yeah, it is very good.
And one of the nice things I like about Martindale, you get great cases.
Yeah, and the leads.
Really
it's
nice
all
cases.
in there.
Jolly good.
Okay,
so who's going to win that? Here
winner?
we go. 223. 223.
223 is Barry D. Well done, Barry. Congratulations.
Nice one, Barry.
Nice prize. So.
On its way to you. The Hitachi drill, fantastic drill, 18 volt Combi drill with 2 batteries, 3 amp hour batteries. Nice, powerful, chunky batteries.
Nice bit of kit, that.
And the winner of that one is, right down the bottom, 95.
See, somebody sitting out there now is already going to know who the winner is, and that's gone to, sorry about that, it's gone to a higher number. Let me just...
That's going to be one of our early sign-ups.
Yeah, it is. Let's just jump to the top of the list. Oh,
Come on, Gary, where's your technology letting you down here?
well, it's because it's halfway through the list, Dave. It's
You just scroll.
let's go backwards then. Right, let's find that because it's finding everything with a 95.
Oh, there's lots of 95s.
Right, sorry, Gareth. Gareth M, well done. Yes,
Well done, you.
I found it. Yes.
Handling technology. Okay, the next prize, interesting one. This is not necessarily electrical. This could give you, 5 of their meals. Couldn't they? £10 meal
Yeah,
deals.
so to treat the wife or partner.
something
yeah.
nice. Treat the wife. Listen to you. What, you're in the
Treat-
70s or what?
Treat the husband.
Treat the partner.
Treating the partner.
Yeah. So, Marks & Spencer vouchers. This is given to us by our friends at Marshall-Tufflex. Thank you very much to them. Superb manufacturers of clips, Firefly clips, which will be very relevant for the 18th edition, but they decided to give us a Marks & Spencer voucher. So, that
Thank you to
is
them.
going to 1,074.
See, this does show you that we have got...
It does, yes. It shows you room in the thousands.
Oh, God, I've got a bit of a difficult name here.
Oh, Gary.
Right, Vichusala.
Ah.
So that's Viachaslau.
It's on the screen.
It's on the screen, you'll see that. Well done,
V.
congratulations.
Nice one, V. The next one, the premium alarm pack from Kidde. Very useful. There we go. It is for carbon monoxide, an alarm there, and a couple of other smoke alarms. Thank you very much to Kidde for that. Here we go. 1,080. That's very close, isn't it?
It
1,074, 1,080.
Okay, Michael W. Well done, Michael. That's a good prize.
Yeah, nice one. Now, new prizes this time from our friends at Action Can. Superb products. Fast-drying solvent, the TF90. This is all 3 of these you're getting as this prize. The multi-purpose lubricant, the AC90. And also the RP90, the penetrating oil. So 3 high quality,
One
very
prize?
usable. One prize,
yeah,
one
good.
prize. Here we go. It is
Let's get a different number.
926.
926.
926.
Quite, it finds it much quicker now, Dave.
Yeah.
And Sarah D. Congratulations, Sarah. You're a prize winner.
Enjoy them, Sarah. Very useful. The next prize, Chauvin Arnoux, giving us these fantastic magnetic probes. Very useful accessory for you to have. That's going to 781.
781. Yvonne.
Yvonne?
Yvonne B. Well done.
Well
Congratulations.
done, Yvonne. And bringing up the rear, and by no means the least, this great screwdriver. This has been much appreciated. Our winners of this have said really like this screwdriver.
PZ2?
Yeah, the PZ2 screwdriver from Hager. And the final prize of this draw is 1,041.
God, they're all high numbers.
Clustered, those 1,000 ones are all clustered to go.
Okay.
But random UX have done their stuff.
Gillian C. Well done. That's a good, well, excellent.
Love it,
Love it.
love it. Well done, those of you that have won prizes. They will be on their way to you. You'll be getting email and we'll be in touch. Don't forget, get into Channel 18. Tell your friends about it. You'll be in the draw for June. We've got some very exciting prize announcements to come. And don't forget, at the end of July, we have got our mega prize draw, which is just ridiculous now. There is so much, but you've got to be in Channel 18 to win it. Don't forget the early bird sign up. Check it out. Look at the content. And if you go into Elex, come up and say hello. Have a fantastic month. We'll see you next month.
Yeah, lovely.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.